There he is in the shadows.
Who?
I think it's Spike. No, this is a gray one.
Is it Oreo?
No, come on over here, Pen. There's Oreo. Get low, Penny. The lower you get, the smaller you get, the happier Oreo will be. Hi, Oreo. You're a star, man.
You're doing a video of Oreo?
Yeah, I'm making a video of him. So he's remembered. Oh, you got a nice head. You got a nice big head, yeah.
This is Oreo.
How old is Oreo?
I don't know.
And it's a she, right?
He.
He, I thought so by the cheeks. You got nice cheeks. Oreo, we are gonna have to bring you some munchies. You're such a nice boy. Isn't he a nice boy?
Yeah, he's a nice boy.
He's a nice boy. Hi, Oreo. There you go, Pen. Look at his chin.
Yeah, Oreo.
He's got a nice chin.
Oreo, cutie, cutie.
You're a cutie, Oreo.
Oreo.
And that's Oreo. Right on, Penny. We're getting some nice shots of Oreo. You big boy, Oreo.
Don't touch the tail. Watch out for the tail.
Yes, I will. Where do you like to be scratched, Oreo?
He likes to be scratched here, or he likes to be scratched here, or he likes to be scratched here.
Oh.
Just like Edie. Here too. Here. Here. And here.
Boy, it's nice to see you, Oreo.
Oh yeah, me missed
You're a
you.
big man. Look at that big nose.
Aw. Hi, Oreo. Hi, Oreo. Hi, Oreo.
So you're a big man. You're Oreo,
I hope
yeah.
nobody comes here with a dog.
Oh, Oreo will get away quick. He's lived here a while. He knows the routine. Don't you, Oreo?
It's moving his hair. I wish the car doesn't come here. Car's always going.
Oh, he wants you to rub him. Are you a gentleman, Oreo? Yeah, it's not easy. You can't hug him. Oh, your ear's a bit sensitive. Okay.
Where's he going? Did you scare him? Oh.
Aw. You're just too cute, Oreo.
Is he mad?
No, he's happy. That's why he's laying down. He trusts us, don't you, Oreo?
Oh.
Remember, he's got an area that he lives in, eh?
Hey, come on here.
Aw, Oreo.
Do you rub him here?
Right on top of the head.
Okay, right on top of the head. Oh, yeah, you like that. Yeah, you like that, don't you? Yeah, you like that. Oh, yeah. You like that, don't you? Look at these rocks.
So that's Oreo.
You like rocks, Oreo?
No, don't move any rocks.
Aww. Oreo. Where's he going?
I don't know. You getting comfortable, Oreo?
Yo, Judy. I know where to go. Hi, Orio's head. Hi, Orio's head. Oreo! Where's he going? Where's he going?
See you. Hi, Oreo.
Why is he going to see me?
Because I stood up.
Oreo! I'm sorry, I'm just too excited.
No, it's okay, hon. I
He's
know
like,
you're
kitty cat.
enjoying.
Oh, we love him.
He's a nice boy.
We're both excited. Kitty cat, ain't he? Yeah.
You're a big boy, Oreo. We should go, Pen.
Why?
Well, now, yeah, he's getting playful. You're gonna get hurt.
Aww.
We'll see you another time. Careful. He's getting playful. No, let's go. We'll see you, Oreo. Bye-bye for now.